This is Rosette from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. This is the gorgeous front of it. This is the beautiful neckline on a lovely light purple. This is also part of the center panel. Very gorgeous embroidery. This is some more detailing that comes on the front. Very nice light tones. These are the side panels. It has these lovely lines on them. These are the front and back borders on organza. It's on a very beautiful dark purple to complement the pink. These are the sleeves. Cute little motifs on them in blue and mauve. And this is the border on organza that comes on the sleeves. This is the plain back. This is the gorgeous pallu of the dupatta, which comes in a nice mauve shade. Very beautiful embroidery. This is the dupatta itself. Very lovely motifs on them. And it comes with a plain trouser.